Hello everyone, myself Sujit Sanjay Patil, Sri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad, Pune. In this video, we are going to see about the digestive system. Learning objectives. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the following terms regarding to the topic, that is digestive system. Introduction of system, parts of digestive system, working process, structure and function of various organs of system. See the diagram of human digestive system. You see the organs of digestive system. First is tongue, mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, liver, gallbladder, large intestine and rectum. These are the particular parts of human digestive system. Give and explain the functions of digestive system. These are some questions regarding to the system. Name and give the functions of different digestive system. Describe how some accessory organs and glands aid body in the digestion process. Explain the process of digestion. The digestive system. Food undergoes 6 major processes. Ingestion, that is process of eating. Propulsion, that is passing of food down to gastrointestinal tract. Swallowing, voluntary process. Peristalsis, reflux, involuntary process, involves alternating contraction of muscles in the body walls of gastrointestinal tract. Mechanical digestion. Prepare food for chemical digestion. Include chewing, mixing with saliva by tongue action, churning in stomach. Chemical digestion, catabolic step in food is broken down to basic building blocks, accomplished by enzyme in digestive juice. Absorption, absorption is the process, that is passage of food particles into the blood lymph. Defecation, elimination of indigestible food substance. Processing of food by the digestive system involves 6 parts of human digestive system. Main parts: first is mouth, second esophagus, third stomach, fourth small intestine and last one is large intestine. Accessory parts means those parts which give help to the digestive system. First is liver, second pancreas, third gallbladder and last one is salivary gland. This is the typical diagram of digestive system. First, duodenum, jejunum, ileum, peristalsis movement, that is movement of smooth muscles. Next diagram is stomach. Mouth. The mouth is the main organ of digestive system or first organ of digestive system. There are two major processes which takes place. Mastication means chewing. Break down large food into small molecules. It increases the surface area for food particles. Secretion of saliva contains salivary amylase, that is pectin, that digests starch to maltose, provide an alkaline medium, lubricant and moistens the food. Esophagus. It is a mucous muscular membrane lined tube. There occurs a process known as peristalsis. Peristalsis means it is an involuntary process of muscular contraction forcing the bolus food down to the stomach. See the diagram of peristalsis. Hello everyone, myself Sujit Sanjay Patil, Sri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad, Pune. In this video, we are going to see about the digestive system. Small intestine. The small intestine, which is about 20 feet long, is so named because its diameter is much smaller than that of large intestine. The small intestine has three regions called duodenum, the jejunum, and second is ileum. Small intestine extends from pyrolic sphincter to the ileocecal wall, where it empties into large intestine. The small intestine finishes the process of digestion, absorbs the nutrients, and passes the residue on to the large intestine. The liver, gallbladder, and pancreas are accessory organs of digestive system that are closely associated with the small intestine. The most important factor for regulating secretions in the small intestine is the presence of chyme. This is largely a local reflex action in response to chemical and mechanical irritation from the chyme and in response to distension of the intestinal wall. This is direct reflex action. Thus, the greater the amount of chyme, the greater the secretion. Absorption. After the digestion, absorption process carried out. It is occurs with the ileum in the finger-like projection known as villi. See the diagram. Take a few seconds. Villi. Amino acid and simple sugar like glucose fructose diffuse through thin epithelial cell into the blood capillaries. Fatty acid and glycerol enter the lacteal into the lymphatic system, then finally into the blood system through innominate vein. Absorption of the majority of nutrients takes place in the jejunum with the following notable expectation. Iron is absorbed in duodenum. Vitamin B12 and bile salts are also absorbed in the terminal ileum. Water and lipid are absorbed by passive diffusion throughout. Sodium is absorbed by active transport and glucose and amino acid co-transport. Fructose is absorbed by facilitated diffusion. Large intestine. The large intestine is the last part of digestive system, the final stage of alimentary canal in vertebrate animal. Its function is to absorb water from the remaining indigestible food matter and then to pass this useless waste material from the body. The large intestine consists of the cecum and colon. It starts in the right iliac region of the pelvis, just at or below the right waist, where it is joined to the bottom end of the small intestine. From here, it continues up the abdomen, then across the width of the abdominal cavity, and then turns down, continuing to this end point at the anus. The large intestine is about 1.5 meters, that is 4.9 feet long, which is about 1/5 of the whole length of the intestinal canal. See the diagram of accessory organs of the digestive system. Liver. It is the largest organ of mammalian body. It secretes bile which is stored in gallbladder. Bile breaks down fats into thin droplets through emulsification. Roles: regulation of sugar and glucose, breakdown excess of RBC, that is red blood cells, storage of blood, detoxification, generation of heat. Pancreas. It is an endocrine gland because it secretes insulin hormone, convert excess of glucose into glycogen for storage. It is also an exocrine gland because it secretes pancreatic juice in the duodenum. Pancreatic juice contains lipids, trypsin, and pancreatic amylase for digestion of lipid, protein, and starch. Salivary glands. The salivary glands are located near to mouth. They produce and secrete saliva, a substance that helps with chewing and swallowing by moistening the food. Gallbladder. The gallbladder is a pear-shaped sac is attached to the visceral surface of the liver by the cystic duct. The principal function of the gallbladder is to serve as storage receiver for bile. Bile is yellowish green fluid produced by liver cell. The main components of bile are water, bile salt, bile pigment and cholesterol. Bile salt act as emulsifying agent in the digestion and absorption of fat. Cholesterol and bile pigment from the breakdown of hemoglobin and excreted from the body in the bile. Thank you.